Hi. This brief tutorial shows you how to edit your profile on Skills Builder Benchmark. Once logged in, click your name in the top right corner. Then click Edit My Details. In the new window, you can edit your first name, last name, and email. If you wish to, you also have the option to consent to opt in or out of marketing emails. Click Save Changes. A green banner will appear for a few seconds in the top right corner to confirm this was successful. In case your account has access to the admin view and it is your email address that needs updating, you will need to let Skills Builder know so we can change your details for you. Thanks for watching this video on how to edit your profile on Skills Builder Benchmark.